Zoongi-ikwe, Zoongi-ikwe.
Uju Gakinawea, Nin Adora, and I am the defender of the Crystal Castle. This is a chak, my beloved Mishtadim. Fabulous secrets were revealed to me the day I held aloft my Gichi-miigwech and said, Onje Manajitiwin Grayskull!
Zoongi-ikwe, Zoongi-ikwe. Zoongi-ikwe. Zoongi-ikwe, Zoongi-ikwe.
Nin Zoongi-ikwe! Only a few others share this secret. Among them are Waskone, Anjimawe, and Gukuku'u. Together, we and my Nichik of the Great Rebellion strive to free Etheria from the evil forces of Hordak.
Zoongi-ikwe, Zoongi-ikwe.
Loo-Kee Wiiji'iwe.
We got him now, Indugamon! The rebels can't lead the slaves into the woods without passing us!
Apakwanaji! Become a loud horn!
Hamayet, Indugamon!
This is your last chance, rebels. Turn over the slaves and I will be easy on you.
Nah, that'll be the day. Miigwech?
Whenever you're ready.
Time's up, rebels.
Wiggle nature go, Hordak!
Robot troopers, attack!
Need any help?
I'm just waiting for those troopers to reach the top of the slope.
Me Ingawede.
Let's see how well they slide.
Gawin! Gawin!
Oh, cheer up, Indugamon! We'll make smarter ones next time!
Mego, eh? I will take care of these rebels myself!
Miigwech, can you slow him down?
Hamayet, here comes the biggest ice wall yet.
Now, everyone to the woods.
Ha! No wall can stop me, ice or otherwise.
Hurry, everyone. I'll handle Hordak.
Stand aside, Zoongi-ikwe, or suffer the consequences.
Just looking at you makes me suffer. It's not polite to go where you're not invited.
Hey! Wait for me!
Now to get those people to the camp. Make sure everyone has all that they want to eat, Gizis. I'm taking Miigwech to the edge of the woods. Be back soon.
Hamayet, Gigawabamin, Miigwech. Gigawabamin. We've got a lot more mouths to feed. I better go into town for some more supplies.
Cheer up, Indugamon! Hey, let's drop somebody down the trap door! You always like that!
Mighty Hordak, the supply ship from Horde World has arrived. There's a package for Geen. I'll bring it to you right away.
You ordered something from the Horde catalog?
Hey, yeah. Have Monerjuice come here. Miijashin! Be careful. Don't drop it.
Wiggle Neshiwe, Indugamon!
This is Parthax, the most powerful element on Horde World. It is all I need to complete my time stop device.
Oh, wow, that's bright!
Me way. Now where's Manajush?
Here I am, Dugamam Hordak.
Gushquachi Gabawin Manajush. I want to test this.
Oh, hi. Not again.
Freeze right where you are. Miigwech, it works.
Oh, wow, Misa Gwen, Dugamon. Can I be the one to drop him down the hole? Huh? Can I?
Hamayata Pakwanaji. Oh, he's stuck in time. That's why he won't fall. Here, I'll just turn it off.
If only it were that easy to freeze the rebels. But we can't get into those stupid woods.
That's why we let the rebels take the time stop into the woods themselves.
Huh? Why would they want to do that?
Get Shadow Weaver, and I'll explain it to you both.
The rebels are always coming here for supplies. One of them is bound to show up. Big car! Shadow Weaver! Look over there! That's one of them!
Well, Weepamon, we're almost finished. Just a few more things and we can go home.
How? Misha Mashkochin!
Namaskar. Isa po nang tayo may sarangan titiyan. Sabi sige, kung ito uton.
Dagaway whip! Anima chop!
Nangita. Ito sa iskosi bakit tinanan si tamayanan si siyan. There. It is done.
Miigwech! As soon as the rebels open up the package, the time stop will freeze them forever.
That is, sir. I never trust these machines to do magic.
I bet it's because they're more reliable.
Ano mo sumakakisas? I'll show you who's reliable.
You better not, or I'll tell Hordak on you.
Not if I get you first. Ang umagin.
Left way, Bacon, left.
I'm going left.
Oh, well, then go right. Ah, look out for Jesus.
And Jimaway, maybe you should practice your flying where there's nothing to hit.
Oh, flying in the open is easy. Anybody can do that. Flying through Mitiguk takes practice. Now, Bacon, go left.
Sprocker, Wiiji'iwe chipituan. Mama Kach, gawin na Mama Kwese siya weki mucha kinaman weko te kwen itokowe. It's from the horde! It's rumbling! Oh no, you don't!
Mogushtiat Hordak, an enormous power is radiating from the Whispering Woods.
It worked! The time stop has frozen the rebels in time, and they will stay that way. Gagi gay, mashkawa, kwajiwat.
Un'altra splendida giornata. Now, let's see. Where shall I hide today? I'll look below. Kege sei tokbangan, it sure is quiet. What's going on? Nothing's moving in these woods but Nin. Not even these Anibishan. Questo non mi piace affatto. I better see if Adora and the others are alright. Adora! Jesus! It's Nin! Loo-Kee! There's something definitely wrong here in the Whispering Woods. Mittagwab! Mittagwab, don't just sit there! Move! Dagamama Jean! Anjimoe, use your magic to fix everything! Jesus! Wego ne nitokiwe. Oh no, a horde machine. That's what's done this. But where's Zoongi-ikwe? I've got to find her. Only Zoongi-ikwe can do anything about this.
Loo-Kee.
Who's there?
I am Waskone. Enter this portal.
I'm not sure. This could be a trick.
Zoongi-ikwe needs you.
Zoongi-ikwe needs me? You had better be telling the truth, whatever you are, or you'll be sorry. Here I am. Now where's Zoongi-ikwe?
Loo-Kee.
Qual era il suo nome? Waskone, you don't look so well.
Not much time left. Time freeze almost reaches here. You must go to Eternia and find Gichi-inini.
What about Zoongi-ikwe? Why can't she? Adora and Achak are frozen too. But where's Zoongi-ikwe?
Adora is Zoongi-ikwe. You are the only one who can reach your brother, Gichi-inini. That is why I am telling you their secret.
Wegonen? Adora is Zoongi-ikwe? That means that Gichi-inini is...
Ogimas Adam. Quickly, now I will open a portal to Eternia. Wiiji'iwe, and good luck. Must keep the portal up. Can't forever.
Whoa!
Must get him to someplace on Eternia. Any place.
Gakinawe ya oma Eternia neba megwa. And soon I'll have the royal palace in which to lay my head instead of this crummy Gichi-miigwech mountain.
How are you going to do that, Gichi-miigwech?
Well, first I'll
get him, Gichi-miigwech.
miserable beast man.
Oh, hi, Ashingin Gichi-inini.
You had better have a good explanation.
It wasn't me, Gichi-miigwech. Go in. You see, it was this little...
Gichi-miigwech? Gegesa, am I in the wrong place? Oh, hi. Now what do? I don't know how to find Gichi-inini.
One of your Wiiji'iwe sakna. Now, where was I?
You were telling me how you plan to take the palace.
Mitiginia. With this magic crystal, I can make a portal that'll take me right into Ogama's Adam's bedroom. With him as my prisoner, Ogama Randor will be forced to give me the palace.
Ogemon's Adam? That's Gichi-inini.
There. Now stay away, Beastman. This portal can only be used once.
Shkane, huh? There he went again.
Imbecile! Your Wiiji'iwe has spoiled my plans! I'll get you for that, even if it's the last thing I do!
Wegonin? Is it morning already? Oh, what is that, Dagoth?
Looks like an Akish Squandem to me. Akish is Squandem! She go away, went away.
Ogemon's Adam, you must come quickly. We've got real trouble on Etheria.
Etheria? Adora! Is Adora all right?
Someone's trying to naba.
Dagoth, it's only Orko. Shke, whoever you are, you didn't answer my question. Is my sister all right?
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Something bad has happened. Gichi-miigwech and Etheria Jemak. Only I don't know how to get back.
Oma Mandawathi can handle that.
Hey, Gichi-inini, wait there.
I'll just stay here and keep your the Baywan worm.
And then I stepped out of the Gichi-inini into Ogimon's Adam's room.
Bekakwe, in Dayangegu, if we go to Etheria, won't the machine freeze us too?
Geget, and why weren't you frozen?
Loo-Kee is a creature, Gamamandawasa, like you, Orko. The Horde device has no effect on either of you.
But what about Neen? I'm not Mamandawith.
But your Gichi-miigwech is. As long as you hold your Gichi-miigwech, you'll be protected from the time freeze. But first, you must become Gichi-inini.
Geget, there's no time to waste. Onje Thun get the wind Grayskull!
And now for the Gichi-inini down. Good luck, Gichi-inini.
Hurry, Gichi-inini. A door is right over there by the stream. Shkena, here she is.
Adora!
Don't worry, sis. I'm here. Onje Thun get the wind Grayskull!
Huh? Anina Nakamigak. Brother, what are you doing here?
Oh, Adora, I thought you might be frozen for good.
Frozen? What are you talking about?
I'll fill you on the way to camp. We weep, Niboachi Dutumang.
Shena Bun! Mitigwab! Jesus! You're right. We have much to do. Onje Mana Jeki Win Grayskull! Zoongi-ikwe!
Zoongi-ikwe, Gichi-inini, this is the machine I told you about.
It won't budge.
Course not. No one can move something stuck in time. Even I know that.
But maybe Nij can. Gichi-miigwech to chain.
Mijigo Ninethogatan. A little teamwork is needed.
Minenge, now, let's give it all we've got.
Going, Chimano's sake. It would take so much strength to...
Orko, Shke, something's happening.
Pull! More! When I count Nithwe. Beijig, Nij, Nithwe!
Whoa! Ugh! Boujins! Anina Nakamegak!
A disturbance of incredible power from the Whispering Woods.
The time stop! It can't be affecting us way over here in the fright zone.
Ambegeget Ijise Hordak. Something is moving the time machine.
But that's impossible! No one can move time!
This isn't easy.
Zanago, we're doing it!
Orko!
This is far enough. Chain to Gichi-miigwech. Moving the machine has damaged it. The power that stopped time is shaking the entire planet.
We gotta open this thing and find a way to stop it before Etheria is shaken to pieces.
Our Gichi-miigwech. Maybe we can pry it open. Bungis, Awashime, I feel something giving.
Here it comes!
That glowing Wasikusin in there must be the power source.
I think you're right. Begoje mak chit desori young.
А? Божечка, звідки взялася ця подушка?
Phew, that was a close one.
Almost too close. But look!
Phew, grazie a Dio, everything's back to normal.
Okay, Getsugo. Now we can go back to bed. Ganagagebe dipikana way de Eternia.
Just one more thing left to do. Aja Ojitse Jikiwian.
Troopers, get this mess cleared out of here.
How may yet, mighty Hordak?
My time stop. Oia Ogi Bigonan.
Beka Kwe, Dugamam. I think I can fix it.
Gawin, Manajush! Don't!
Bunikan.
Hana, I fixed it.
Gawin Giwaskwekan.
Papa Niziangan.
You're causing time to go willy-nilly.
The robot troopers are going forwards and backwards, fast and slow. Oh, Manajush!
How was I supposed to know?
When I get my hands on Gin.
Gichi-inini, I'm sorry.
Boozhoo! Now today I know you found Nin because I was part of the story. You know, none of us have powers like Zoongi-ikwe and Gichi-inini, but we can still do lots of things that are helpful to others. I'm not very strong, and my magic is just for hiding, but I helped Zoongi-ikwe and Gichi-inini today. Size isn't the true measure of your worth. Those who are little, like Yin and Nin, can do big things. So don't let being little keep you from being helpful.